Welcome to Proctor Hacks, your ultimate guide to mastering ProctorU exams. If you're a student eager to ace your online proctored exam without breaking a sweat, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the art of bypassing ProctorU and securing that elusive A+. Ever wondered how to cheat on ProctorU even with the camera on in a lockdown browser? We've got you covered. Plus, we'll even show you video evidence of ProctorU being effortlessly bypassed. ProctorU is the go-to proctoring service for a wide range of tests, from academic exams to entrance assessments like the HSI A2. But fear not, with our insider tips, you'll be breezing through your ProctorU exam like a pro. Before we discuss the secrets on cheating ProctorU, let's first demystify what it is and how it operates. From scheduling your exam to completing authentication steps, we'll walk you through every step of the process. But let's get down to the real deal, cheating on ProctorU. Forget outdated methods like using notes or sneaking a peek at your phone. We're talking about the foolproof, undetectable method, the technical expert approach. Yes, you heard it right. With the technical expert method, cheating on ProctorU is not only possible, but also 100% safe and secure. Our custom software ensures you breeze through without raising any red flags. And don't just take our word for it. We've got video proof of ProctorU being bypassed right before your eyes. Witness the magic unfold as we navigate through the system undetected. Now, you might be wondering, how can you get in on this game-changing strategy? Look no further than Exam Rabbit, the ultimate source for exam-taking services with technical expertise in bypassing any proctored exam. Whether it's ProctorU or any other proctored software, we've got you covered. How to get services of Exam Rabbit to cheat on straight-line final exam. If you're a college student and things like proctored exams or any type of exams get you stressed out real quick, then you can take the services of Exam Rabbit. Exam Rabbit runs an online tutoring or cheating service where US-based college and university students pay Exam Rabbit money to take their online expertise to complete their college-level exams, homework assignments, essays, research papers, discussion posts, essentially anything you need on your behalf in college, subjects including math, science, business, English, engineering, computer programming, humanities, social sciences, and on and on and on, and get them A or B grades. Look, you can even check out their exam score gallery as well if you want proof of how they can help you. So if you've ever thought about hiring for proctored exams, hiring for college exam takers, and you don't plan on flunking out of college like I did, get in touch with Exam Rabbit. It'll be worth it. To get services in any online proctored exam or completion of your full course, you can contact Exam Rabbit at examrabbithelp@gmail.com or simply fill the student help request form link given in the description. Thanks for watching this video.